And when you get too attached to somebody, you might want to be in their life every moment. You might want to, be there for literally every minute aspects of their life. You might think it's love, but then over a period of time that can become great bondage. It can become a great pain. Now you got to be passionate in your love. You got to be absolutely involved and be there. But you got to try not to get blindly attached. Attachment will lead to misery. Now how not to get attached? That you got to work on, because right now most of us or all of us are just too attached to our bodies itself. Now if I tell you not to be attached, you will not get it, because you're attached to your body also. You don't know how not to be attached. That's why in meditation they tell you that you're not the mind, you're not the body, you're something else. What you are the life energy. Once when you get hold of that life energy, once when you start to experience that life energy, nobody has to tell you not to get attached. You will simply love, fall in love madly, deeply and badly without attachment.